Hello again, it's Jim Wilson here, Principal of Wilson, Haynes, Solicitors, Conveyancers and Business Advisors on the beautiful Gold Coast Tweed. I want to talk to you today about personal insurance policies and issue a word of warning to consumers, whether you're self-employed or employed. I want to talk to you particularly about income protection, death cover and total and permanent disablement as sold on television and via online direct to consumers rather than via the channel of the use of an insurance broker. You see, it's our view on research and inquiry that the population is nowhere near satisfactorily enough informed about the deficiencies from the point of view of people's strategic wealth creation and preservation in respect to these TV policies. Let me give you 5 points to be aware of that you might like to consult your insurance broker on before you actually pick up the phone and respond to that very, very powerful advertising that's done by the underwriters on television. The first thing is that the TV products, with those, they are not underwritten at the telephone application stage. They are only underwritten at the point of claim. So that means that 40% of claims so far have been denied to applicants when they go to claim under those policies, as opposed to 7% of claims where the policy's been written by an insurance broker. There's blanket pre-existing clauses in those policies which exclude anything that you may have gone to the doctor about in the previous 5 years. And you may have paid a lot of premiums in that time since you bought it over the phone, only to find that you haven't been covered. The second thing is that they are more expensive. They highlight the cheapest scenario, which is what all mass marketing of products does. The third thing is, if you don't sit with your advisor, how do you know how much cover you should be buying in the context of where you want to be in life and the risks that you have to cover? You're making that decision yourself, and that's not helpful to you or your family or your beneficiaries. The fourth thing is the income protection is only out to about 6 months. With a life insurance broker purchase policy, they can extend out to 2 years. Now, that's very, very relevant if you're self-employed and have a young family. And finally, at claim time, your broker is there to help you and be your advocate against the underwriter in respect of getting your due entitlements for you and your family and the beneficiaries of your estate, whether it be in relation to your death cover, your income protection, or your total and permanent disablement. Our advice is, before you pick up that phone to buy, make sure you get a second opinion from a proper life insurance broker and advisor in relation to your own particular requirements. Thank you once again, Jim Wilson, Principal, Wilson Haynes, Solicitors, Conveyancers and Business Advisors, beautiful Gold Coast Tweed.